And I do hope you had a nice Saturday. Overall, rain chances, rain coverage wasn't too high. We did see some spotty showers early afternoon, but now things are mainly limited inland across Lake Okeechobee, as well as seeing some activity in northwestern Palm Beach County, some lightning strikes too, and in the vicinity of Indiantown. But the good news is as we head into the later evening hours, things will wind down and most of the coverage stays well to the west of, say, 441. So if you live in the coast, especially Palm Beach County, I think you're going to stay dry for the remainder of the night. Temperatures right now, as you can see, 89 Boynton Beach, 91 Okeechobee, 81 in Stewart. Let me show you some beautiful weather spotter photos today. This is from Tom Poitevin, Boynton Beach. Wow, just gorgeous out there. Scott Walter sending this in from Juno Beach. Sunrise this morning. We are lucky to live in paradise, that is for sure. Current temperatures right now, 91 Okeechobee, 90 Sebastian, 91 in Boca, 92 Wellington. It was a hot one today, 91 degrees. Vero Beach, the low this morning, 77 degrees. And how about for West Palm Beach? We made it up to right around 90 degrees, and our low this morning wasn't very low, only hit a minimum temperature of 80 this morning. Same tonight. If you live at the immediate coastline, temperatures only dipping down to around 80 degrees, but we will find some cooler air inland. Okeechobee 76 degrees, Sebastian 76, and the folks in Wellington expect an overnight low near 78 degrees. Then tomorrow, hot and humid once again. We may need a heat advisory. Overall, actual air temperatures in the low 90s, but when you factor in the humidity, it will easily feel like the triple digits. So once again, take it easy outside, stay hydrated, and wear that light colored, loose fitted clothing. Once you see the humidity, we'll feel like temperatures in the mid 100s, so very close to that heat advisory threshold. Now, Vipercast model shows most activity staying inland through the evening. Could see some activity northern Treasure Coast, get closer to the coast, but then everybody dries out overnight. Now, Sunday morning, 7 o'clock, we're tracking a little activity, and I think if you live near the coast, Sunday morning will be our best chance to see showers, and then by the noon hour, everything pretty much moving inland, and as you can see, overall coverage very low for your Sunday, so a pretty nice day. All right, let's get to the tropics. We have three waves we are watching. This one has the most likely chance of developing a 70% chance, but look where it's headed. It's headed toward the Mexican and perhaps South Texas coastline, so no impact to Florida. Now, we have two other waves out there in the Atlantic. This one has a 40% chance of developing in the next 7 days, and this one just a very low 20% chance. So we'll be watching them for you each and every day and let you know if there's anything you need to be concerned about. Tonight, 80 degrees, few inland storms. Then tomorrow, looking good, 92 degrees. Pretty nice for the boaters. Seas 2 to 3 feet. And here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the upper 80s once we get past tomorrow. Better rain chances Tuesday through next Saturday. All right, let's get to the tropics. We have three waves we are watching. This one has the most likely chance of developing a 70% chance, but look where it's headed. It's headed toward the Mexican and perhaps South Texas coastline, so no impact to Florida. Now, we have two other waves out there in the Atlantic. This one has a 40% chance of developing in the next 7 days, and this one just a very low 20% chance. So we'll be watching them for you each and every day and let you know if there's anything you need to be concerned about. Tonight, 80 degrees, few inland storms. Then tomorrow, looking good, 92 degrees. Pretty nice for the boaters. Seas 2 to 3 feet. And here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the upper 80s once we get past tomorrow. Better rain chances Tuesday through next Saturday. And overall, we had a pretty nice day, especially near the coast where our rain was limited. Now we take a live look across West Palm Beach and still a good amount of cars on I-95. Current temperatures right now depends where you're watching from. If you're inland in Okeechobee, it's quite comfortable, 77 degrees where the winds have gone calm, but it's warmer in Boca Raton and Boynton Beach, 85 degrees there, 83 in Jupiter, and right now 81 degrees in Port St. Lucie. Port St. Lucie has the highest winds right now at 8 miles per hour. So you factor in the humidity, and it still feels like 95 degrees in West Palm Beach, feeling like 98 in Boynton, 94 in Boca Raton, 90 in Vero Beach. The only spot that's not really affected by that humidity is well inland Okeechobee, feeling just 1 degree warmer than their actual air temp of 77 degrees. Thanks, Doug Ashley, for sending in this beautiful photo from Jensen Beach today. Beautiful rainbow. Love it. Tom Poitevin was at Boynton Beach. Earlier around 9:30, he saw dark storm clouds, but by about 12 o'clock, he said the sun broke out and it was a beautiful beach day. Elaine Tobita from West Palm Beach sending in these cloud formations, and Scott Walter leaving us with this nice picture of sunrise from Juno Beach. Thank you very much to our First Alert weather spotters. Well, this is all that's left on radar. Just very, very light rain across the Treasure Coast. We do have more activity on the west coast of the Sunshine State, and that will be the trend once again on Sunday with a good onshore flow, winds out of the southeast. That's going to keep storms generally moving inland. Now, your low temps tonight, very mild near the coast in the low 80s, but a little bit cooler inland, 76 Okeechobee, 77 Indiantown, and 77 degrees in Vero Beach. Then tomorrow, just as hot as today, temperatures in the low 90s for just about everybody. In fact, Belle Glade, typically the hot spot, they could be as hot as 95 degrees. Most of us, though, closer to 90, 91 degrees. Factor in the humidity once again. Feels like heat indices in the triple digits. Now, on the Vipercast model, we could see some areas of convection over the Atlantic overnight through early Sunday morning. And then the best chance to see coastal showers will be in the morning, with most of the activity staying inland the second half of Sunday afternoon. So spotty in nature and heavier rain over on the west coast once again. Now, in the tropics, quickly, we have this area that has an 80% chance of being our next depression, but it will not affect us. And then these two waves out in the Atlantic, this one has a 50% chance of developing, and this one a 40%. We'll keep you up to date, but nothing to be overly concerned about. And here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures hot tomorrow, then a little bit cooler Monday, Tuesdays. We have more rain chances up to 60% by Wednesday.